This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, and the units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil. The units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as R32. They have durable stainless steel heat exchangers with the premium PDD4 and ultimate PGR5 models having very good lifetime warranties, while the basic PGD4 model only has a 15-year warranty, which is not as good as many brands. The PGD4 models combine a basic single-stage 13.4 SEER2 air conditioner with a basic single-stage gas furnace, while the PDD4 premium units combine a basic heat pump with the single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The PGR5 models, part of their QuietComfort series, features two-stage dual-fuel models with a 16 SEER2 cooling efficiency and an 81% AFUE gas furnace. They use louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil, which is superior to the wire mesh of the other models, and their warranty includes a no-hassle replacement guarantee in case the heat exchanger, compressor or coils fail within 5 years of installation.